we are on our way to our beauty industry tour. I'm going to take the students to Armstrong McCall, the Makeup Artist Project, and Sentinel Beauty Supply. If we get a call back from RDA, we'll stop by there, and if we have time, we'll stop by Starline Nail Supply. We're gonna eat at CC's, which is a great place to take students because it's a buffet and it's inexpensive. If there's students that don't have funding for it, I go and take care of that. I wanna make sure all my kiddos eat. It's 8:30, we're on our way to the dining hall to wait for the bus. It should be arriving, if not already there. And we come back at 1:30 in time for them to go to 7th period. So, when we do field trips, the students have to wear all black. And so, black jeans are fine. The shoes I'm not too picky or particular because some students just don't have the black shoes, but just black clothing, and it has to be school appropriate. We do that because in the industry, as you guys know, we wear black and it's the dress code of our industry, and so that they look professional and whatnot, we definitely make sure that they are in compliance with that. And if they're not, they can't get on the bus. So, let's go on the field trip. And these are our sophomores. So this is a trip that they take every year. They do have their permits, and I have them here, so that way they can insert their information and get put in the system. All right, so let's get going.
A barber, as esthetician, or an active student. Okay, no. We also carry a lot of barber lines.
So we just left Armstrong McCall and we are on our way back to the bus. It does look like it's raining towards the direction that we're going. Did you ladies have fun?
Yes.
Yes.
Really fun.
All right, so off to our next stop. So we are here at the Makeup Artist Project here in Houston, Texas. It's a gem. And as you can see back here, the students are already shopping. There's tons of things that the students can check out. Just as soon as you enter, they have this awesome mirror here. And then also, they offer classes now. So I want to flip it around so you can see the classes that they offer. So if you are a cosmetology instructor, bring your kiddos over. They do have all brands, different pricing, and it's just really neat. CC's. It is pretty chilly out here, and we're loading the bus on our way to Central Nail Beauty Supply. And did you enjoy the trip? Oh, so tell me about it. How'd you do the horns?
I had like made a little form with like cotton and like a little sponge and like latex, so that's how I made the horns.
Cool.
And then I painted it a little bit.
Looks nice. Can I? Cool. That's cool.
¿Qué va a hacer, miss?
I'm just recording it.
What do we do?
Hey,
What
it's
do
just
we do? Where do we
recording.
go?
I don't know what
So
to do.
tell me, Damien, how did you do what was your inspiration?
A look I had already done, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I
Very
just
nice.
changed the colors.
It's good. It's good on the
Thank you.
shading. Yeah, and what was your inspiration?
Pinterest.
Pinterest. It's good.
And-
so it's what'd you put in the middle?
Rope. You can't really see it. I covered it in blood, but the thought was there.
That's good. All right. All right, guys. Oh, goodness gracious, guys. Hey, how's it going? All right, so I just wanted to get with you as far as today and how it's been. It's been pretty awesome. It is 5 o'clock. Well, it's 4:54, almost 5. I'm leaving school, going to Kroger. And then stop by. I'm gonna get a cake, napkins, forks, plates, drinks, I think too, for my husband's DECA officer installation that he's having at his campus, on his campus today. Okay, there was a truck next to me and they were just kind of staring, so I was recording myself, but this week is over. And I thought it was over, but then now I gotta go do the officer installation, and so now it's not over yet. I still got a few things one more event to do. The field trip was great. Weather, by the way, is amazing. You saw it's like awesome. Look, watch. Do you see? It's blowing. The wind is blowing. Amazing. So yeah, it is windy. It is chilly. I can almost say that it's a little cold, and I love it. It is pumpkin weather, y'all. I'm super excited that this season is here, because here in Houston and Texas, it's always hot. And this is exciting. So, recap of this week. Crazy busy, insane. Outline for next week. Crazy busy, insane. Rest of the month, same. November, same. December, same. I just looked at the calendar and oh my gosh, there's so much awesomeness going on that I cannot wait for all of those opportunities for the students. The events, the collaborations, the competitions, the school spirit, all of that good stuff. So I'm really excited that this is my job. This is what I get to do. Now, I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot of work. It's stressful. It's staying up at night till 3 o'clock in the morning, typing up an email with all the events to get permission and adding all the details, and worrying about who's gonna show up, or my chaperone's gonna show up, or is the sub gonna be all right? What about the kids that stay back? When's the due date? How much is the money? Does it cost? Do we have budget? Do we... Oh, and by the way, I have a house and 2 cats, and I have a husband, and the house needs to be cleaned, and the husband needs to have some attention, and the cats need to be fed, and oh, by the way, I need to do my eyebrows, and I haven't done my lashes, and my nails are ridiculous, and you know, it's like... But I love my job. I love what I do. I love doing it. I love every aspect of it. It's my favorite thing in the world. And I immerse myself in it, and I don't... It stresses me out. Yes, it does, of course. Because I want everything to be perfect. And because I care, and I want my students to have the best opportunities out there available and possible. And I want to represent my school accordingly as it deserves and our program deserves. But I love it. It's stressful, but I love every minute of it. So, on to Sam Rayburn High School. No, back up. On to Kroger to get what my husband didn't get for his installation. And then on to Sam Rayburn. I'm going to put my blue blazer on that's back there with my DECA pin and help him take some pictures and such for installation, and then have some cake, and then be on my way home. I'm going to throw some windbreakers on, get my tennis shoes on, and go for a walk because this weather is amazing. So, super excited. Alright guys, vámonos. Yeah, so there was some suspicious gentlemen hanging out in the parking lot. Let's get out of here before I get mugged. Alright, so I have got the cake, drinks, napkins, forks, cups, plates. I think I got it all. I'm loving this weather though, it feels so good. So, on to Sam Rayburn High School. Actually, cookies over here. Whose cookies are these? What's today? What's today?
Officer installation for DECA.
By the way, that was my hubby's serious face when he's focused on something and I ask him something and he doesn't answer. It's because he's like focused. So we're here at Rayburn, Sam Rayburn High School, and we're gonna set up for officer installation. And you can see the table back there, ready and set to go. And I got a few things I gotta take care of email wise, so I'll do that while installation starts. See you guys in a little bit. We're just not gonna close it because it doesn't close. Alright guys, quick note. I'm gonna get some Skittles. I got my blue blazer on. This blazer right here has a lot of memories because when we first opened up CTHS, I got it because I had to go do the presentations about the school to parents in Spanish. And so I was like, oh, I gotta look, you know. So I got me this blue blazer. I wore it last year because it's blue. I don't wear it often, but I wore it last year at this same installation. I want to say it was a year ago, I just want to point something out. Right there. You see these marks here? That means it's barely closing. Look at that. So anyway, that means we need to hit the gym because no bueno. Okay, back to the regular program. Alright guys, so that wraps up today. We are done. We are tired. It is... I'm trying to follow him around to get him in the shop, but he keeps walking away from me. Hang on, let me catch up to him. No, he says, come here. I wanted to get a shot where I would bump into you and then we would do this and then I would ask you, so what's your favorite part about teaching?
My DECA club.
Why?
Because they're awesome.
Oh, sorry, you're taller. I gotta do this thing with the arm. So today was your officer installation. So what do you think about your office slate for this year? Think they're gonna do
the
good?
best, yep.
Yeah. Awesome. You might not want to say the best because last year's slate might watch this.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Y'all don't tell.
Okay.
Alright guys, well, we're gonna go ahead and head on home. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you guys on the next crazy, insane, busy day or week that we have coming up on Monday. See ya.